कभी मायूस मत होना, अंधेरा कितना गहरा हो। शहर की राह में हायल कभी भी हो नहीं सकता, सवेरा हो के रहता है। कभी मायूस मत होना। उम्मीदों के समंदर में तलातुम आते रहते हैं, सफ़ीने डूबते भी हैं, सफ़र लेकिन नहीं रुकता। मुसाफिर टूट जाते हैं मगर माझी नहीं थकता, सफ़र तय हो के रहता है। कभी मायूस मत होना। खुदा हाजिर है नाजिर भी, खुदा ज़ाहिर है मंज़र भी, वही है हाल से वाकिफ़, वही सीनों के अंदर भी। मुसीबत के अंधेरों में कभी तुम मांग कर देखो, तुम्हारी आँख के आंसू कभी ढलने नहीं देगा। तुम्हारी आस के गागर कभी गिरने नहीं देगा। कभी मायूस मत होना। वहाँ इंसाफ की चक्की ज़रा धीरे से चलती है, मगर चक्की के पाटों में बहुत बारीक पिसता है। तुम्हारे एक का बदला वहाँ 70 से ज़्यादा है। नीयत तुलती है पलड़ों में, अमल नापे नहीं जाते। वहाँ जो हाथ उठते हैं कभी हाली नहीं आते। ज़रा सी देर लगती है मगर वो दे के रहता है। कभी मायूस मत होना। दरीदा दामनों को वो रफ़ू करता है रहमत से, अगर कशकोल टूटा हो भरता है नेमत से। कभी अयूब की खातिर ज़मी चश्मा उगलती है, किसी बंजर जज़ीरे पर कद्दू की बेल उगती है। जो पानी भी है साया भी है, हयाते नातवानी भी। कभी मायूस मत होना। Assalamualaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. There's summer vacation in Pakistan. I hope children are enjoying at their homes, some at picnic spots, and some visiting their uncle, aunts, and relatives. Today, I thought to bring you the most exciting recipe of chicken biryani, which is everyone's favorite. Believe me, try it at your home and trust me, it will add flavors to your relations with your kids, parents, and loved ones. Let's get started today's recipe without wasting any time. Firstly, I started preparation by collecting all required ingredients from pantry, and which were missing I went to the nearby shop and buy them and started cutting vegetables. Nowadays heat wave is very strong in Pakistan and it's too hot today. After getting free from cutting, went to shower to feel fresh. After that, I came into the kitchen and start cooking. Firstly, I boiled the rice. To boil rice, I used 2.5 liter of water, 3 tablespoons of salt, cardamom, 5 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, 15 black pepper, 5 to 6 cloves, and 1 lemon, and about half cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of oil. Water started boiling. I added the rice into it, which were soaked half an hour before previously. When they are 80 to 85% done, turn off the flame, remove excess water, and put it on side. On other hand, I started preparing curry. I used 2 cups of oil, 4 to 5 medium sized onion, 15 to 20 garlic cloves, 2 inch ginger peas. When they are nicely brown, I took grinder, add 5 tomatoes, 6 to 8 green chilies, and all of them ground roughly on low speed. Then I cooked this paste for 6 to 8 minutes and added chicken and potatoes and all spices, salt, red chili powder, black pepper, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, 1 pack of national biryani masala, and about 1.5 glass of water, and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I added yogurt into it and cooked it for 4 to 5 minutes more and turn off the flame. On other hand, I started layering in the next pot. Firstly, I added curry in the first layer, spread rice on it, top it with yellow food color, onions, lemon, and third layer and vice versa. Covered it with cloth and put it on low simmering heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, they are ready to serve. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and remember me in your warm prayers. Allah Hafiz.